In this video I'm going to show you how to insert an image in Word document. So as you can see, I've got this Word document over here with some text and I want to insert the image. So I select the location for the image. So I want to have it over here. And then I go to Insert, Pictures, and here you can choose from a picture of your device or from stock images. So if you select stock images, you will see a list of images that you can use. So let's say this one, for example. So you select it, and then you go to Insert, and then you will find it in your text. But in this demo I want to use my own image, so I go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and then I select the image that I want to add, so this one. And now you can make it smaller, so you hold the corner, or this part of the image, and you can drag and drop it, as you can see. So we make it like this size. You can also change the position of the text. So then you go to this button over here, layout options. And here you can choose if you want to have the text around it, like this. Or like this, as it was before. And you can also put the image behind the text. So this one, as you can see. So we want to have it like this. Make it a bit bigger or smaller. And it's still possible to drag and drop your image. So let's say I want to have it over here. You can hold it and just drag it. You can also change the picture style. So then you go over here in the menu. And as you can see, the corners of the image are changing. So let's say we make it a round image, slightly bigger. And you can also change the picture from here if you want to have another picture, or you can do some editing like the transparency, effects, and just have a look at all the options. You have also the position, for example, to have some default positions. And this is how to insert the image in a Word document. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if the video was helpful for you. And see you in the next video.